Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 17. How to pause ads. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to pause ads, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Here you can see a little arrow beside campaign name, click on it and select Enabled or Paused. Similarly, you can select it for other campaigns as well. Now click on Ads and Extensions. Here also you can see a little arrow beside ads, and when you click on it, and it also has enabled or paused options. You can pause as many ads as you want from here. So this is how you can pause ads. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 18. How to increase ad bid at a certain age. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to increase ad bid at a certain age, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.